Although Belgium is just a small country in Europe, its industrial level has always been remarkable. Having gone through the baptism of the Industrial Revolution, Belgium has always had highlights in the development of weapons and equipment, especially in firearms technology. However, in the field of armored vehicles, Belgium has also introduced the advanced family of armored vehicles called the Cobra. Regardless of technology or concept, it can be considered at the world's leading level. However, it has never sold a single unit, which is regrettable. In the late 1970s and 1980s, the Belgian company ACEC developed a small armored personnel carrier called the Cobra. This is a tracked vehicle weighing less than 10 tons, with necessary basic protection and machine gun firepower. Its biggest feature is the use of an electric drive system, with a 190-horsepower diesel engine driving a generator, which then provides power to the vehicle for forward or backward movement at maximum speed, with a maximum range of 600 kilometers. The Cobra armored personnel carrier was tested between 1982 and 1983, and its overall performance was satisfactory. Based on this, ACC's designers came up with a bold idea to develop a large family of weapons based on the armored personnel carrier, including infantry fighting vehicles, light tanks, reconnaissance vehicles, ambulances, rocket artillery vehicles, and self-propelled mortars, following a universalization concept. The Cobra 25 is a fire support vehicle with minimal changes to the vehicle body, with increased sloped frontal armor for enhanced protection. It is installed with a seemingly large turret in the middle of the chassis due to the small size of the vehicle, only 4.7 meters long. The turret is a welded, multifaceted structure, with the main weapon being an Oerlikon 25mm autocannon, firing 25 184mm ammunition, and an additional coaxial machine gun. The turret can rotate 300 to 60 degrees with a maximum elevation angle of 60 degrees and can function as an anti-aircraft gun, posing a threat to nearby helicopters. Another product is the Cobra 90, a light tank equipped with the Mikar 90mm gun with a basic weight of less than 10 tons. It is installed with a multifaceted welded turret with a front wedge-shaped structure, and the main gun can fire armor-piercing shells at an elevation angle of 10 degrees to 25 degrees, posing a significant threat to first-generation main battle tanks and causing effective penetration in the side and rear of second-generation main battle tanks, provided additional armor modules are not installed. In 1985, ACEC showcased its Cobra armored vehicle series overseas, hoping to obtain international orders. With the maneuverability and reliability of the Cobra armored vehicle, as well as its concept of lightweight armor and family series, the series indeed garnered considerable attention, considered as a supplement to main armored forces and even as main armored weapons in some slightly less developed countries, clearly targeting regions like Africa and South America. Despite the presence of many country representatives, none expressed a genuine desire to purchase, leaving ACEC very frustrated. The main reason for this situation is the electric drive system of the armored vehicle. The electric drive system has developed since World War I, and after decades of optimization, it has become mature. Compared to traditional mechanical drive structures, the advantages of electric drive lie in the elimination of mechanical drive structures, flexible layout of internal combustion engines and generators, simple control by the driver, and larger internal space in the chassis. However, the shortcomings are also obvious. Electric drive is not a mainstream structure. If a country were to purchase the Cobra series of armored vehicles, it would not only mean needing to completely replace its own weapon systems, but also spending a large sum of money to establish an independent maintenance system. This is unacceptable for the potential users envisioned, and the price of the Cobra armored vehicle is not low. Second-hand equipment such as T-54, 55, and BTR is also readily available in the market. In comparison, these types of equipment are more suitable for underdeveloped countries in Africa that lack a comprehensive logistical support system, have greater firepower, and are difficult to persuade without a complete cost advantage.